Hi friends, let me show you this new handheld steamer that I received for viewing purposes. You get the user manual and the actual unit. This is great if you like to iron some of your clothes with water, with steam, of course, with hot steam. This will make it really easy to accomplish it. It has also this carrying bag, because of course you can bring it with you in your travel if you are traveling. This is a portable one, okay? So we are going to use it. Of course you have to put water here, and that's it. Just plug it in and try it, okay? So we are going to test it with my clothes, and you'll see how it works. Perfect. So first we wanna put the water in the water tank. It has a maximum level here, and we're going to use drinking water, so it's a clean water, okay? It's a softer water. Now it's ready, okay? You press it here, and there's the steam, okay? So, and if you're traveling, you can steam your clothes like this. So you refresh your clothes. Now we have a perfect color here. Perfect. All the steam you need to iron and refresh your clothes. Thank you.